Think you're too busy to save your own peace? Think again. Meet Sarah, a night shift nurse who was on the brink of a breakdown. Dedicated to her job, Sarah loved being a nurse, but endless night shifts and a high-pressure environment started wearing her down. She forgot to care for herself as she took care of others. Her personal relationships began to crumble, and her health deteriorated. Fatigue turned into a deep mental and emotional drain that no amount of sleep could fix. One night, in the solitude of the break room, Sarah questioned if she could go on. Exhausted, her hands trembled, her mind foggy. Her career, well-being, and happiness were at a crossroads. The healer was breaking apart. During a particularly tough night, Sarah overheard older nurses discussing how they found strength in daily recitation and reflection on the Quran. Desperate for peace, Sarah decided to try. One quiet morning, she picked up a copy from the hospital chapel and began to read. As she read, the verses spoke to her turmoil, gradually instilling a calmness she hadn't felt in years. Sarah made it a ritual to spend a few minutes with the Quran before each shift. Soon, colleagues noticed a change. She was calmer, more present, radiating serene confidence. Her improved mental clarity and renewed passion not only saved her career, but also mended her strained relationships. Her simple habit of daily recitation brought profound changes to her life. Remember the hook? It's not about having time, it's about making time. Sarah's story shows that even in the busiest lives, spiritual reflection can transform your being. Start with just 5 minutes a day and watch your life change. If Sarah's journey inspired you, like and subscribe for more stories. Know someone struggling? Share this video to possibly change a life. What small change will you make today? Real stories, real transformation, real you.